Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Product. If you are searching for the best Android 14 portable projector that can turn any space into a smart entertainment zone, you are in the right place. Today, we have something compact, powerful, and super easy to use. Let's get started. The Kaiway Android 14 portable projector is built to bring a full smart TV experience wherever you go. It is not just a projector, it is an all-in-one entertainment hub. With its Google-authorized smart TV system, you can directly access apps from Google Play and enjoy your favorite content without needing extra devices. One of the best things about the Kaiway Android 14 portable projector is its ability to stream 4K HDR content from platforms like YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney+. This means you can enjoy movies and shows with rich detail and smooth playback. It also comes with NFC screencast, so you can mirror your phone screen instantly with just a simple tap, which saves time and makes sharing content very easy. Another useful feature is the built-in Google Voice control. You can search for movies, open apps, or adjust volume just by speaking. This makes the experience more relaxed and hands-free. When it comes to picture quality, the projector offers full HD resolution with 4K decoding and 1500 ANSI lumens brightness. This combination gives you bright images, strong contrast, and vibrant colors, even in rooms that are not completely dark. Setting up the Kaiway Android 14 portable projector is also very simple. With automatic focus and keystone correction, the image adjusts itself to stay sharp and properly aligned. You do not need to spend time fixing the angle or focus manually. The audio experience is just as impressive. It features dual 10-watt stereo speakers with Dolby audio support, so you get clear and immersive sound for movies, games, or presentations. The two-way Bluetooth feature is also very handy, as it lets the projector work like a speaker even when you're not using the display. In terms of design, the Kaiway Android 14 portable projector is compact and easy to carry. It fits nicely in your bag, making it perfect for travel, home use, or even outdoor movie nights. The build feels solid and modern, matching its smart features. In real life, this projector is perfect for watching movies at home, playing games on a big screen, or even giving presentations at work. It gives you flexibility and convenience wherever you go. The Kaiway Android 14 portable projector is best for movie lovers, gamers, travelers, and anyone who wants a portable and smart entertainment solution without hassle. This is something you should not miss. Check the price link in the description and see if it is right for you. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.